VirTra Systems, Inc., a world leader in virtual reality simulation and applications. Officers were interviewed on VirTra simulators.
Situational awareness is very important. Immersive virtual reality is where we need to go.
You need to be able to have the type of situations that can get your adrenaline going, can get you prepared for circumstances on the street.
The more realistic training you get, the more prepared you're going to be when you have to encounter those situations.
It's what we're dealing with now. It's no longer online, it's no longer our enemies or according to the Geneva Convention. Ambushes, rear attacks, whatever, what have you, terrorism in and of itself is the sign of the times.
Drop the trigger. Drop the trigger. Yes.
Good choice.
This comes as close as I have seen to give that panoramic view like this that allows you to see around you, the surround sound, the feel of the weapon in your hand. It all adds to the reality.
You have to pay a little bit more attention to your peripheral vision, which you actually have to use in real life situations as compared to just looking at one screen.
And an important thing is to have a weapon system where you definitely are going to be using. Because if you have a cheap piece of plastic in your hand, that's not what you're going to be using in a real life situation.
Your adrenaline immediately comes up when you know that you're about to have an incident go down.
This puts you in the field. I felt my heart pounding. I felt the adrenaline because you get that feeling that you're there.
Drop the knife!
There is absolutely nothing out there right now that even comes close to comparing to this system.
The IVR 300 HD definitely ups the tempo of training and provides for the capacity to bring yourself and your entire team home alive.
There's not another system that can compare to it, that can give you all the different angles, different reactions, different scenarios.
I think this technology can definitely save lives.
I believe it can save officer lives. It's a realistic scenario. It's not one-dimensional. It's 3D, and it makes you look around and make sure that there isn't other threats.
So this gets the job done, and you feel the safety factor that you're putting out somebody that's safe.
I would say the IVR 300 HD more than exceeds anything that I've experienced here. I've experienced 4 other similar systems.
Incredible, incredible. State of the art.
You're giving the officers the competitive edge in a very changing environment.
This system is definitely going to be the system for the future.
Yeah, the system is one of the best systems that I've been involved in and seen. It gives you opportunity to do it 360 degrees.
I would highly recommend it because I saw a system that was flexible.
It's a great system.
I'd highly recommend the system to any law enforcement agency or training agency.
I would definitely recommend this system to my chief.
The IVR 300 was an experience I won't forget.